If there's a Ford in need, I am the man indeed. I will find them. I will fix them. I'll love them. And you know, I'm going to drive the shit out of them. I am the Ford aficionado. Welcome to my channel. Hey, welcome back, guys. Ford aficionado back at it again. Hello, no. What you doing? And today is Sunday, August 10th. And getting the Jeep cleaned out, getting it ready to go back to work. And got 2 days of vacation left. And you can see, got it vacuumed out the other day. The back organized, got all the everything out. Look. There is still a rat in here some damn where. I've set traps, everything I know to do. Got the back cleaned out. You can see, got my air pumps in there. Got my travel bag cleaned out and organized. Oh, me. So, yeah. My Cheez-Its, Dr. Pepper, Gatorade. And, y'all check this out. Bought me a new knife yesterday. And, about 15 bucks. So, here's the old one. Out with the old worn out DeWalt. In with the brand new. I seen this one yesterday and I said I gotta have it. So. And I'll give you a little update on my bullet here. On my 3 USB and 2C charge bullet. It's working great. Use it every day. Works like a charm. Works like a charm. And I don't know if I made a video about it, but as you can see, the Jeep looks a little different. The whole fender fairs here is missing. The inner fender liner is missing. I think I did make a video about this, but look right back there. There's the heat shield. And you can just see where the oil's been leaking down forever. And so, yeah. Trying to get some of this grass mowed. Got Blue moved yesterday. And got Frankie moved around. And got Big Betty moved around yesterday. I still got to get a belt and a new alternator. Because the alternator keeps locking up. 291,000 miles. But when I get paid Thursday, I'm gonna order the brand new alternator, 230 bucks. OEM Motorcraft and a new belt. And I'm gonna get this thing 100% back on the road. Still got a coolant leak at the radiator. I'm gonna attempt to put some more of that caulk on it, but how well it'll hold, I don't know. It's still leaking. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna give y'all a little update. I hadn't posted in about a week. Matter of fact, it's been exactly a week since the last time I posted. And another little update. Here we go. Tomorrow at 1 o'clock, I have an appointment with this oral surgeon. I went this past Monday to Affordable Dentures and told them I got like 4 or 5 teeth left to pull. Most people wouldn't be embarrassed talking about things like this, but I'm not embarrassed. I'm just ready to get it over with and get some new dentures. So I told them what I want. I said I want to be completely sedated, because the last time I had my teeth pulled, they didn't sedate me. They gave me a Valium to relax me, and I woke up halfway through in the most pain I've ever been in my life. They said, well, we don't sedate, but we know somebody who does. So, Carolina Oral Maxillofacial Surgery, and they're going to evaluate me for pulling my remaining teeth and sedating me, getting this over with so I can get my dentures. And I asked them before I left, I said, once I get this done, I can come back for my dentures. They said yes. So tomorrow at 1 o'clock, I'll be in Fort Mill, and we'll see what they say. So, but I'm ready to get it over with, get my dentures, so I can start enjoying the foods I hadn't been able to enjoy in years. But that's the update on me, guys, and we'll see you in the next one. Thank y'all for watching. Water Aficionado out.